Hi guys, this is Carrie with Fullerton Professional Organizing. And today, as every day, we help you declutter your faith, your home, and your business. And today's subject is going to be your children's bedrooms. Now, a child's bedroom is it's more than just a bedroom. It's more than just a place to sleep. Sometimes it's an office, a school office, but it's where they play, learn, dream, and grow. When the room is messy, it can be hard for them to relax, but organizing your child's bedroom is about creating a place that is peaceful, less chaotic, less decisions. Um, they can play without a lot of overwhelm. So it can be hard for them to relax in a room that's really full of chaos. Organizing your child's bedroom is about creating a peaceful setting, happy space that makes easier for both of you. It's a happy space that life just flows easier for both of you. It's not about making it perfect, it's about making it work. Now, what does it mean to organize a child's bedroom? Because you've got toys, books, puzzles. Bedrooms can have a lot going on. But organizing your child's bedroom means giving everything a purpose and a place, or maybe a zone. Every toy, book, and piece of clothing can have a home that makes sense for your child's age and the routine. It's about setting up simple systems that they can help maintain as well. Decluttering. Go through the toys, books, and clothes and art supplies. Keep what your child actually uses and loves and donate or store the rest. Not what your child thinks he uses, what they actually use. And sometimes that takes observation over time. Do they really use those McDonald's toys, or I don't even know. Does McDonald's still give out little toys to kids? I'm out of that stage, so I'm a little out of the loop there. But donate and store the rest, or maybe store it in a way that can be rotated seasonally. I loved rotating things seasonally in my classroom so the kids had fresh things to play with at every season. Zone. Create clear areas for sleeping and maybe your books by the bed where they can read until they go to sleep. Playing, reading, dressing. This helps your child understand where things belong and where they're used. Now, accessibility. Placing items where the child can reach them. This teaches independence because they can put things back themselves and not depend on you, and makes cleaning up easier, especially if they have less stuff. Cleanup is much easier. Labels and bins. That's a good way to use simple labels, pictures, or colors so your child knows exactly where things go. When you organize with your child in mind, you're not just making sure everything's nice and neat. You're teaching them how to take care of their bedroom, their space. Now, the reason organizing your child's room really matters is one, it builds good habits early. Children learn by example. When they see you care about your space and keeping their space neat, they learn that order and care matters. Simple routines like making the bed, putting toys away, or folding clothes teach responsibility, discipline, and they take pride in the work that they've done. Two, it reduces stress for everyone, especially in the mornings. A cluttered room can make getting ready in the mornings and even going to bed at night kind of overwhelming. When clothes and toys and school items have a home, your child knows where to find what they need, especially school supplies. That means fewer meltdowns when they can't find their shoes in the morning, less nagging, and more peace in your home. Makes your mornings so much easier. Three, it encourages them to take care of themselves. When your child can find and put away their own things, they feel capable and confident sometimes. Low bins, labeled drawers, easy systems help them take ownership of their space. It's amazing how proud they feel when they can clean up without any help. Now, number four, it does make cleanup easier. An organized room is easier to maintain. You'll spend less time cleaning piles, more time enjoying the playtime. Plus, when everything has a space, cleanup time is quicker. And when it's quicker, it's less stressful. Again, less meltdowns. Five, it supports your sleep. A tidy room helps your child relax and sleep more peacefully. Clutter can create visual noise and make it hard to unwind. A clean, peaceful space tells your brain it's time to rest because you've developed a habit. It also helps them focus when they play, read, or do their homework. Number six, it teaches gratitude and simplicity. When your child sees what they have and can easily access it, they appreciate their belongings more. Rotating toys and donating unused items helps them understand generosity, being giving, helping others, and the joy of sharing. Now, here's some simple tips. Start small. Just pick one zone. Maybe your reading zone, toy zone, or your closet. Work together, but involve your child. Let them make a few decisions so that they can feel like it's their space and they were included in the system. Make it seem like it was their idea. Use what you have. Shoe boxes are fine. Dollar Tree bins are fine. Baskets make great organizers. Now, what about memorabilia? Now, children can really collect and they might have a lot of memorabilia. Every parent has that box or maybe a few boxes filled with school art projects, baby clothes, birthday cards, and little keepsakes that hold big memories. These are the treasures of childhood, reminders of moments that go by too fast. But over time, those sweet memories can pile up and turn into clutter. You can really collect too much. But organizing your children's memorabilia is like keeping the most important items and creating a simple way to enjoy it instead of feeling the overwhelm of too much. Now, organizing memorabilia means gathering, sorting, storing your child's keepsakes in a way that preserves the memories and makes them easy to look through later. It's not about saving everything. It's about saving the right things. Here's what it might look like, okay? Gather everything in one place. Start by collecting all the art, school papers, maybe some baby items, photos, and special keepsakes from around the house. Just gather it all together. Sort by age or grade, whichever is easier to remember, however your brain works. This helps you see what you have and makes it easier to store later. Now, keep only the most meaningful pieces. I know everything's going to be important. Everything's going to have meaning, but choose the items that bring back strong memories or show your child's growth, and take pictures of the rest. Store items neatly. Use labeled bins, folders, or memory boxes. You can even create digital folders for the photos or scanned artwork. The goal is to protect your family's story without drowning in it. Now, one, it keeps the best memories alive. This is the reason why. When everything is stuffed in random boxes, it's easy to forget what's inside. By organizing, you can enjoy looking through your child's milestones, first drawings, report cards, baby footprints, without digging through piles and piles and piles. You'll have a collection that tells their story. Number two, it reduces emotional clutter. Many parents hold on to too much because they don't want to lose the memories. Again, take pictures. But keeping everything can create stress and guilt. Organizing helps you decide what truly represents your child's life and personality. You'll feel lighter and still keep what's most important, most precious. Three, it teaches your child to value their history. When your child sees their artwork displayed or their memory box neatly kept, they learn that their story matters. It gives them a sense of pride and identity. Later in life, they'll be grateful to have a meaningful, organized collection rather than random piles of stuff. And plus, if we kept too much, then we're just passing on too much to our kids. When we keep too much, our kids keep too much. So we need to be good examples. Four, it makes transitions easier, whether it's the start of a new school year, a big move, or your child growing into an adult. Having memorabilia organized makes those changes smoother. You'll be able to find what you want to keep, share, or pass down without feeling rushed or emotional or needing a U-Haul. Now, five, it protects special items, photos, artwork, and keepsakes can fade or get damaged if not stored properly. By organizing, you're also preserving. So use acid-free folders, plastic sleeves, or digital backups for long-term care. Now, here are some simple ways to organize children's memorabilia, okay? Use a memory box or bin for each child. Label it with their name, age, range, and inside use folders or envelopes for each school year or milestone. Each folder, not each box. We don't need 12 boxes. Now, two, try a digital memory system. If you're short on space, take photos of artwork, trophies, and bulky crafts. Store them in a digital folder by year. You can even create a printed photo book at the end of each year. Now, number three, display the absolute favorites. Pick a few special items to frame or hang on a rotating artboard. This allows your child to see and enjoy their creations without filling up drawers or walls. Number 4, set limits, boundaries. Those are so important. You don't want to, like I said, a whole U-Haul to deliver things to your child that they may not even want to keep later on. So decide on a space limit, such as 1 bin per child. When it's full, it's time to review and remove items that no longer hold that special place in their heart. 5, schedule a memory check-in. Once or twice a year, go through the boxes together. This keeps the system updated and gives you a chance to share stories and laughter with your children along the way. Now, keep it simple. You don't need fancy bins or elaborate scrapbooks to make this work. I mean, sure, baby scrapbook, make that one as special as you want. But after that, keep it simple. What matters most is creating a system that's easy to keep up with. A simple approach will help you stay consistent and actually enjoy looking through your child's memories instead of feeling buried by them. All right, so organizing your children's memorabilia isn't just about letting go, it's about honoring the story your family is living. You're not just sorting papers or saving artwork, you're building a time capsule of love, growth, and joy. Start small, keep it simple, and remember that every piece you save tells part of your child's beautiful story. But try to keep it down to 1 or 2 things a year. Label everything. Words or pictures help your child know what belongs where. Go do quick daily resets. Spend 5 minutes before bedtime putting things back in place and keep it simple. The easier the system, the more likely it'll stay organized. All right, guys, that's it for this podcast. We will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.